fast charger here. Fuck all that. Ain't nobody fucking with me.
My nigga hit the meanest rollback too. Hold on.
What? I'm supposed to make it the owner, your mama, your fucking son, your daughter. If she age, she get in the car with me. Your fucking dog, everything, everybody. It don't matter how old you are. You can be sick. You get rolled back on, nigga.
You ain't ducking no smoke.
Smack, nigga.
She made that go lot of I can't catch that shit, I get too dizzy. No shot of lick, the sun go down on top of the wood. She shaking ass, showing her tits. 5% 10 inside, this wood can't see inside. Clutching my sin, go double down. She want a toe, not scared to shoot, but can't take gym. What surgery weight? Inside the cut, no for the lulu. She gon' eat peen, no, I'm a munch. Gon' eat this perk from my hot boy, ho, I'm a grim. Won't buy your curtain, not eating dick. I'm sorry, baby, never been friendly. You made me bad, can't let me meet a hoe. I'm the type to fuck your family. And you know something just begun. Ho, don't be shocked, don't shake that ass. Don't get behind, ain't having money. She gon' turn over when she see cash. Bad bitch, but don't got morals, could tell she grew up without her dad. Can't give out dick, been on my deer, can't even lie, been kinda sad. Say a lot of that when she...
Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are back with another POV video. I'm currently heading to Summerduck right now. We finna get a little bit of drifting in, so I just wanted to film a little POV for y'all. And then I'm gonna get y'all some footage at the Summerduck. Man, if y'all haven't already, go look at my YouTube short. I got pulled over, bro, and cop gave me 4 tickets. 4 tickets. And he calls himself pulling me over for 10. Then he gave me exhaust, everything else on top of it. So I was literally chilling, dude. Like, I couldn't have been chilling any more than I was, bro. Like, bro, look at this. Yo, what is that? Is that a beaver? Yeah, but I couldn't have been chilling any more than I was. I think that cop was just weird, bro. Yo, look at all of these whips, bro. Oh, I see cash right here. Somebody already parked next to him. All right, cool. I'm gonna just park right here then. Hold on. Look at all these whips out here. We is finally at Summerduck.
That's my nigga Lee right here. What's up, man?
What's good, bro?
How you feeling? Nigga said you the best slider so far.
We got, if you pan the camera over there, the nigga walking that shit to the pit, that's a manual second gen, that's a scat. I'm best charger here, fuck all that. He can have the best manual, I'm the best auto slide out here right now, to date. Ain't nobody fucking with me. Me and my homies, my brother coming, y'all know SRT East, he coming. We gonna get a 10 in. Me and my twin, Blue 6'4", we gonna get a 10 in. But if y'all know me, y'all know when them pink bitches come out, it gets serious, nigga. It gets serious, nigga.
It gets serious. They said my nigga Easky pull it up. My nigga hit the meanest rollback too. Hold on.
What? I'm rolling back in. I'm rolling back at the owner, your mama, your fucking son, your daughter. If she age, she getting in the car with me. Your fucking dog.
Everything and everybody.
Everything and everybody. It don't matter how old you are. You can be sick. You get rolled back on, nigga.
Roll back. Ain't ducking no smoke.
Smack, nigga.
Well, that's a 328. Trying to see, what is it? Bro, that's a 328.